Hi, 7:03. Happy snow day. There are ice rocks up here in my room. I'm sorry this is a little bit late. I just wanted to get this video off to you for your performance task tomorrow. Unfortunately, it looks like we are all going to school and you most definitely have an exam because grades close tomorrow. Instead of an exam with multiple choice, this is going to be a performance task for Unit 3. A performance task just means that you're given a word problem and that you have to solve a couple of steps in the word problem and most importantly show all of your work. So I'm giving you an example today of something which is very similar to what you'll see tomorrow. And here's the word problem. Let's say that Miss English has started a swim team, and for my swim team I'm going to be buying swim goggles for all of my swimmers. So I know that there is that swim goggles, if I just walk into a store, cost $12.50. I know there is a 20% discount for orders of more than 10. When I check out from my purchase, I'm going to have to pay New York sales tax of 8.25% on the discounted price. So the question asks, how much would I pay if there are 15 team members that I'm of course buying goggles for all of them? Here are the steps that you need to take in order to figure out how much you're going to pay. The first thing I do is I take the price of each goggle, which is $12.50. I multiply it. They said my discount was 20%. So I know I have to change that to a decimal. That's pretty easy. 20% is just 0.2. So I take 0.2, I multiply it by $12.50, and I get $3. So you can do that on your calculator. Let's just make sure we know how to do that. $12.50 times 0.2, enter. Oh, that gives me $2.50. So apparently I was rounding here. So in this case, I have $2.50, which is the discount that I get on each one of the glasses. So with my $2.50 discount, then I'm going to subtract $2.50 from $12.50, which gives me an even $10 on each one of my goggles. So $10 times the number of goggles that I'm buying is going to be $150. $150 is now my new discounted price. I've gotten from $12.50 to $10. $10 times the 15 girls gives me $150. I now have to pay New York City sales tax, so on the $150. So I take my sales price of $150, I multiply it by 0.825. Again, because the sales tax is 8.25%, I'm going to multiply it by 0.825. So let's see, using our calculators, what I get here. Clear. So I have $150. I'm going to multiply it by 0.0825. My answer is $12.37. I can see there's a 5 after this. Because it's 5, I'm going to round up to 38, so it's $12.38. $12.38. I'm going to take this amount and add it back on to my 150. So I add 150 back on to 1238, and I obviously am going to get, if you don't trust yourself, to plus. You'll have plenty of time to do this tomorrow, so please use your calculator whenever you get the chance. So the tax plus the 150 for the goggles gives me $162.36. $162.36. And that's it. So please study this. Be ready for tomorrow. If you have any questions, happy snow day. And please email or text or give me a call if you want to go over any of these. We'll have just a few minutes before the class tomorrow, and otherwise you'll get the whole class for the test. See you tomorrow.